How to change back from a professional account on Instagram. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change back from a professional account on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile phone. Make sure to log in or sign up for your account. Now tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Then reach the three bars at the top right corner and reach the settings and activity. Here, scroll down and tap on the Creator Tools and Controls option. Now choose Switch Account Type. Finally, choose Switch to Personal Account and you're done. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.